Dave, this is the first location that we've come to this morning, but it is, as you can see, it's devastating damage here in Barnsdall. There's homes that are just completely destroyed. There's some houses that are completely moved off their foundations, and some that are just a pile of debris. And you know, we mentioned a while ago that this cross Bird Creek, I've noticed a lot of debris actually is in Bird Creek flowing downstream. So there's something that you don't normally think about is the debris flowing downstream and what that might cause downstream somewhere. But there's massive buildings here that are just demolished, and there's a house next to a church that is gone, but the church seems to be almost untouched. So you know how tornadoes are, they can wipe out a house and not touch the one next door. But as you can see here, this is a really bad damage here on the southeast side of town in Barnsdall, Dave. Absolutely. There's a truck with trailers parked in front of different homes and stuff, and you can see that there's power crews that are already here repairing the power lines, because as it moved to the northeast, it wiped out a lot of power poles, as you can imagine. Even through beyond the neighborhoods, through fields and stuff, there's lots of power lines down, and power crews, and there's a bunch of equipment and people lined up along the highway on the east side of town that they're really focusing some energy over there. But this neighborhood on the southeast side of town, you can see people out trying to help clean up and start the process of getting past this damage. Tess. DJ, look at the neighborhoods, and we're looking at people helping each other clean up, just like city people are helping, not like emergency vehicles, but just neighbors helping each other out. We're not on the air right now, by the way. Two and a half minutes from a tease. Yeah, I don't know, as long as we need to, I guess. I'll have to get some fuel at some point. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be up for another 45. If I do that though, I'll probably need to go get fuel before we go anywhere else. SkyNews 2 News Desk. Hey, can you see if someone's around there that can contact Bartlesville Municipal Airport and see if they're open and have fuel? Say that again. Yeah, the Bartlesville Municipal Airport. There should be a phone number listed somewhere and somebody to answer it. We just need to know if they've got fuel. What are you seeing down there, DJ? Anything? Yes, we are. Is it good now, or is it still decreasing? What highway is that? Altitude helps. In that neighborhood along the creek on this side, there's several people walking down the roads and stuff. Just to this side of the creek on the streets. I think you're looking at that road right there. I'll get around the other side. If you see any people working, let's just focus on them. Copy that. We're up at the river. We're still. That's right, Leanne. I'm not quite sure who they're with, but this is the first time that I've seen, folks in uniform and hard hats walking around look like they're doing some surveying of the whole area. They're literally walking up and down the street, looking at different houses and all the damage in the neighborhood, Leanne. Yeah, that's You know, Alan, I haven't seen anything that's really